Hey Denise, this video is for you. Let me put your name here. That's wrong paper. All right, Denise. So you needed to work on multiplicative comparisons. And multi-digit multiplication. All right, so let's start off with our multiplicative comparisons. And I'm going to put a problem here. Up here, I don't want to write it twice, and I already used this one before. So here's our word problem. It says, Ronnie walked 25 miles. He walked 5 times as many miles as Dave. How far did Dave walk? So we've underlined what do we know and what are they asking. Now I need to determine what are the things I'm comparing. So we are comparing Ronnie and Dave. And I need to put my information with whom it belongs. So Ronnie walked 25 miles, and he walked 5 times as much as Dave. And they want to know how far is Dave. When I have both of my pieces of data on the same line, that tells me I have to have one piece of data on the left of the equal sign and one piece of data on the right. So 5 times as many, and the 25 goes over here. So I think to myself, what times 5 equals 25? The answer is 5. So Dave walks 5 miles. All right, let's get the next problem. And that one is here. So here's our next problem. Martha has 12 dogs. She has 7 times as many cats. How many cats does Martha have? So our comparison for this one is dogs and cats. And I need to put my information with the problem. And you see how I've underlined everything. And it says how many cats does she have. So she has 12 dogs. And she has 7 times as many cats. When I have a piece of data in both of my comparisons, those are my factors. So 7 times 12. All right, now to solve this, I know my 12's table, so I know that that is 84 cats. All right, so that's the multiplicative comparison. Now let's work on the multi-digit multiplication. Let's say we have 76 times 38. All right. I'm going to use my partial product boxes. I split it into 2 because there's 2 digits here, so this is 70 and 6. And I split it this way into 2 because there's 2 here, 30 and 8. So now, remember, it's across 30 times, 30 times, 8 times, 8 times, and then down, 70, 70, 6, 6. 3 times 7 is 21, and there's 2 zeros. 8 times 7 is 56, and there's 1 zero. 3 times 6 is 18, and there's 1 zero. 8 times 6 is 48. Now, once I have that, I add all the pieces. 2100, 560, 180, 48. 10, 18, that's 1, 2, 3, that's 8. 2,888. And then one more problem, and I'll just do it on the back here. So let's do 3,901 times 5. So with this, I break apart my biggest number into place value, 3,901. And each piece times 5. So an easy way to write it is 3,901 times 5 times 5 times 5. So you don't even have to draw the boxes with this one. 3 times 5 is 15, and there's 1, 2, 3 zeros. 5 times 9 is 45, and there's 2 zeros. And then 5 times 1 is 5. And then I add them. 5, 0, and 0 is 5. 0 and 0 is 0. 5 and 0 is 5. 4 and 5 is 9. And 1 and 0 is 1. 19,505. Hope this video helps, Denise.